is the first bank-to-bank trade. Big institutions now trust each other to handle digital assets. DBS and Goldman Sachs. So, of course, like DBS from Singapore, and these two banks just made history. They completed the world's first over-the-counter interbank crypto options trade. That means two of the world's biggest bank trade a crypto derivative contract directly with each other, so no exchange in between. This is the first time something like this has ever happened between two major banks. And the trade, it happened it was done in Singapore because that's where DBS came from, using, of course, like under the country's clear crypto framework, with the Monetary Authority of Singapore, and Goldman Sachs joined from the global trading desk. This is a huge step in bridging TradFi and crypto, and this shows that banks are now like trusting crypto enough to trade directly. Like, this is a big deal, but Bitcoin is not. Like, it's kind of focusing on the bad news, the bad side of what Jerome Powell said. Like, there's still some damage being done from Jerome Powell and also Donald Trump, some nuclear bomb, basically. And on Twitter, like crypto is saying, traders are saying that TradFi finally embracing crypto. DBS said it already handled like over $1 billion in crypto options and structured products in just first half of 2025, and it has been up 60% year over year. So it makes sense why DBS really want to push crypto forward. So like this move with Goldman especially, it could really open the floodgates for more banks to join. This is part of the bigger trend. So we have the US spot Bitcoin ETF now manage over like $60 billion, and Asia, like this is coming from Singapore, but like Asia is really catching up fast. And a few days ago, we have the approval from Hong Kong of a Solana spot ETF, and this literally happened, and we even front run the US, so that's really something. And when it comes to the spot ETF, Hong Kong not only front run like the US, but like the rest of the world, because we had these first spot Ethereum ETF as well, and then of course like US follow. But Hong Kong is really advanced when it comes to this kind of stuff. So basically, let's come back to this deal, like how this trade works. Like, okay, this was a OTC crypto options deal, most likely on BTC. So options let investors bet on or hedge BTC's price without owning it. OTC means it's a private contract, so it's custom made, not traded on exchanges like CME instead. So DBS has actually been building toward this for years to come. Like, it launches digital exchange back in 2020, and we know like Singaporean government has been pushing the crypto narrative and becoming the crypto hub for years basically, and they have been very, very bullish on crypto. And this, okay, what happened yesterday is the first bank-to-bank trade, showing that big institutions now trust each other to handle digital assets directly. And of course, this shows that Bitcoin is really maturing, like moving from just like some retail speculation and being mocked by everyone into a proper risk management tools, just like the Forex, just like commodities. So this is huge when it comes to the estimation of how much money could flow in. Like, of course, this is a OTC transaction. The trade amount wasn't public, but its impact could be in the billions, of course. DBS clients, first of all, they have been trading over $1 billion in crypto derivatives just like the first 6 months in 2026. So if Goldman could scale this, I mean, it doesn't have to be Goldman, maybe JP Morgan or HSBC, etc. We could really see at least $10 billion in new institutional flows by 2026. And global crypto derivatives already do like $6 trillion per quarter, and this could really grow 20 to 30% every single year.